In this guide, I'll show you how to fix packet loss in Valorant on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press the start or options button on your controller, and we're going to go to settings. Then you want to navigate at the menu at the top and go to stats, and you want to ensure packets lost total is on show both. Now if you're in game and you have a look in the top left corner, you'll see your packets lost, and if you have a look on the right side, you'll also see it there. So if you are losing packets, the first thing I recommend you do is to leave your match. Then once you're on the home menu, press triangle, and you want to have a look on the left side and where it says server. Ensure this is on automatic, so all these would be turned off. Or if you are going to select a server, ensure you're using the one that has the lowest ping available. Now, once you've done that, you want to press the PlayStation button on your controller, and we're going to go to home. And then once you're here, you want to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. From here, we're going to go to network and connection status, and you want to test your internet connection. So if you notice your download or upload speed is unusually low, the first thing I recommend you do is ensure that a bunch of devices aren't using your home network, as that'll slow down your connection. I also recommend you press the PlayStation button on your controller and then navigate to the power button and turn off your console fully for a few minutes. Now, while this is happening, I also recommend you restart your modem and or router by unplugging the power cable and waiting a few minutes, and then plug everything back in and come back to test internet connection to see if these speeds improve. Now, the next thing I recommend you do is go back and we're going to go to settings and go to set up internet connection. And from here, I first recommend that you always use a wired connection over Wi Fi, as it is going to be faster, more stable, and can reduce packet loss. But if you have to use Wi Fi, what I recommend you do is press the start or options button on it and then go to Wi Fi frequency bands. So if your PS5 is far away from your router, I recommend you go with 2.4 gigahertz. If it's close to your router, go with 5 gigahertz. Now, I do recommend ensuring that your PS5 is as close as possible to your router and that you reduce any interference, meaning that there's a clear line of sight between the two. Now, another thing you could do is go back to settings, and once you're here, you want to scroll down to system and go to system software update and settings, and you want to ensure that your PS5 is up to date, and if not, be sure to update it. Now, if you're still losing packets while playing Valorant on PS5, I recommend you reach out to your internet service provider to see if they can help. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.